Incorporated has begun suspending shared rides on its ride-hailing platform in the United States and Canada to limit the spread of the coronavirus. For more on this story, we go to our next segment, Today. The pooled option, which allows riders to book trips at lower prices by sharing the car with up to 3 other passengers traveling in the same direction, has been disabled for users opening the apps in the 2 countries. A spokesman said similar steps outside the U.S. and Canada would be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. Regular rides on the company's food delivery platform, Uber Eats, remain available, but Uber said it was in contact with local authorities to adjust operations as needed. Data by U.S. cities showed North America provides the bulk of Uber's revenue, but pooled rides make up only a small share of all bookings. Lyft Incorporated, Uber's smaller North American competitor, on Monday did not respond to a request for comment on its shared rides policy. The respiratory virus has spread quickly throughout the United States, killing at least 83 people as of Monday and infecting more than 4,600 Americans.
Also in Tech Today, Alphabet's YouTube, Facebook and Twitter have warned that more videos and other content could be erroneously removed for policy violations as the company's empty offices and which leads to errors. Facebook followed suit, saying it would work with contract vendors this week to send home all content reviewers home indefinitely with pay. The social media company drew public criticism last week for asking policy enforcers to continue coming to work as it lacks secure technology to conduct moderation remotely. Twitter said it would step up the use of similar automation, but would not ban users based solely on automated enforcement because of accuracy concerns. The 3 Silicon Valley internet services giants, like many companies worldwide, have asked employees and contractors to work from home if possible to slow the fast-spreading respiratory disease. Mass gatherings for sports, cultural and religious events have been cancelled globally.
Okay, we've run out of time, but I did find on the World Health Organization's website, it says maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. So at least 1 meter.
At least
2 meters would be better. Okay, so move away, Edward.
What's that song? Don't stand so
close to me. That's right. Okay, those were our business reports for today. Next up, we'll have more Radio Thailand news as well as the weather.
This is Radio Thailand News. Special report.